This is the chala necklace that you can see in the first Black Panther movie, and I made it out of cans. Actually, I got this idea from the prop way, but he used 3D printer, and this video special for you who don't have 3D printer and only have scissor, glue, and marker. This is Make It Cheap. Let's start from making the cloud shape on a paper. And I copied the best shape on a small piece of carton. You can get my template in the description if you want. Get a can and cut it like this. Then copy the template on the can like this. Fold and glue it until it looks like a cloud. You need to use super glue for cans. I made 15 of these clouds for the whole necklace. I use this cotton twine for the necklace, and I add some kind of hook at the end of the twine. Because the color of the twine is white, I need to color it black with marker. Cut the cloud a little bit like this to place the twine. Find the center of the necklace and glue the first cloud. Add space more or less 2 cm between the clouds. And that's it, the easiest Marvel accessories that you can make at home. Now you know what to wear on a Marvel theme party. Alright, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next episode of Make It Cheap. Don't forget to like this video.